Transform your car's space with Amooca car seat headrest hooks for pack storage organizer. Elevate your driving experience with the Amooca car seat headrest hooks, the ultimate storage solution for your vehicle. These innovative hooks convert your car's headrest into a practical storage space, keeping your interior clean and organized. Say goodbye to cluttered seats and rolling bags. With these durable hooks, you can hang groceries, purses, school bags, and more, ensuring everything is in its rightful place during your journeys. Maximize your space while enjoying hassle-free access to your belongings. What makes the Amooca hooks superior to traditional storage solutions is their high-quality construction and thoughtful design. Made from thickened ABS plastic, these hooks can support up to 55 pounds or 25 kilograms each, providing reliable strength for all your storage needs. Unlike other products, these hooks feature a unique S-type design that allows for 360-degree rotation, giving you the flexibility to swing them to the front or back as needed. They're not just functional, they also add a sleek touch to your car's interior. Investing in the Amooca car seat headrest hooks is a smart choice that can save you time and money. They're easy. No tool installation means you can set them up in seconds, eliminating the need for complicated setups. The space-saving design is ideal for families or anyone on the go, ensuring your essentials are organized and within reach. With these hooks, you'll spend less time searching for items and more time enjoying your drive, making them an essential addition to your vehicle. In terms of durability and effectiveness, the Amooca hooks stand out among competitors. Designed to fit most vehicles, they provide a universal solution to clutter management in your car. The hook's sturdy build ensures they won't bend or break under pressure, offering a long-lasting storage solution. Customers rave about their performance, with many noting how they effortlessly hold heavy bags while maintaining a neat appearance. The hook's sleek black color complements any car interior, enhancing your driving experience. Choose the Amooca car seat headrest hooks for a stylish and efficient way to organize your car. With 4 hooks in each pack, you'll have plenty of storage options to keep your vehicle tidy. Their easy removal and versatile design make them perfect for anyone looking to improve their car's functionality. Upgrade your driving experience today. Experience the convenience of the Amooca hooks and enjoy a clutter-free journey wherever the road takes you.